What's the meaning of altimeter? Altimeter. 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 Altimeter.
An altimeter is a device used to measure the altitude of an object above a fixed level. It works by measuring the changes in atmospheric pressure as altitude increases. The altimeter provides essential information to pilots and mountaineers, allowing them to navigate and make safe decisions. It is an important tool for flight safety, particularly in situations where visibility is limited. Overall, an altimeter plays a crucial role in aviation and outdoor activities by providing accurate altitude measurements.